Good morning and welcome to TEDx. Today we are going to talk about the climate change. I, Dr. Yuvraj Kaginkar, wildlife veterinarian. I am going to share my experience about the climate change. But before I start, I would like to quote the words of Albert Einstein. He said, "If the honeybee disappeared from the surface of this earth, human beings have only 4 years left to live." And it's very true. We started a project Save Asian Elephant and Asian Elephant and Bee project at the Goa border. There lots of elephants used to come from the Karnataka towards the Maharashtra, and they used to raid the crops. The sugarcane crops were raided, the banana trees were destroyed, the coconut trees were put down by the elephants. At the same time, there was lots of conflicts going on among the elephants and humans, and that was a major issue for everyone. So we did a grassroots research at that area and find out the parts of the elephant from where they used to enter the farmlands. And we introduced the beehive fencing in those areas. And this project was quite successful. As you know, the elephants are scared of honeybees. They hate the buzzing noise of these bees, and they can smell the pheromones of the honeybees like 2 kilometers away, and they immediately change their path, and they can communicate with their the family members, like in 50 square kilometer of area. And with this project, the elephant bee project, the farmers were very happy. The one reason was the crop rating was reduced. There was less conflict between the elephant and the humans. At the same time, the crop yield was increased by 25 to 30%. And as this project went on progressing, we faced the biggest problem, that is the survival of the honeybees in that area throughout the year. And the honeybees are also affected equally by this climate change. The extended monsoon, the summer heat, non-availability of the food because of this continuous rainy season, the nectar used to get washed out, the pollen used to get washed out. For them, it's a food for them. We have lost almost like 50 to 70% of colony during this last Nisarga cyclone. At the same time, during the summers, the wax start melting. The entire colony, the brood, collapsed due to the heat in the boxes. So you can imagine, not only the human beings, but the insect like honeybees are also affected. And as we know, we are dependent on them. The entire human race is dependent on them, and how they are affecting. And we came up with the solution, no doubt about that we came up with the solution, and we took them from the jungle, from the western ghats. We shifted them to the urban areas during such harsh climatic conditions. And the human beings are very scared of these honeybees. But in spite of that, the project was quite successful. We were able to sustain these honeybees during the harsh climatic condition into the urban areas. The metro cities are becoming green. There's lots of plantation, the flowering, the gardens are there. But I could not find the pollinators in these areas. And that was one of the advantage for us in India, that that the metro cities are getting green. And then this alternative shifting of this honeybee was very successful. And the harsh monsoon, we have shifted towards some of the hilly areas. During the summers, we give them the additional shade so that the brood does not collapse. The point is, we have to create the this habitat restoration for each and every individual insect, animal in and around our area if we really want to fight with the climate change. We have to make sure that everyone on this earth gets equal opportunity and equal protection from the climate change, and we have to make sure that the survival of every species is very important, not only us. And yes, honeybees are the very important part of our life. So you have seen the shift from the Asian elephant towards the honeybee conservation, the pollinator. So today, my friends, I would like to tell you that if we really want to save our earth, Mother Earth, you have to take one small step and try to create the habitat. Whichever the species is around you and you find it's in the danger, try to give them some space where they can survive and they can fight against this climate change. So please come together and let's make this planet a beautiful planet for every creature on the earth. Thank you.